Aranya Resorts. Aranya. Ito ay salitang Thai na ibig sabihin ay bountiful forest o masaganang kagubatan. Yan din ang salitang ipinangalan sa isang camping resort sa Barangay Camachin, bayan ng DRT, kung saan ang kanilang ipinagmamalaki ang mabiyayang kalikasan at nakamamanghang mountain view. Sa inyong pagpasyal ay siguradong mararanasan nyo ang isang adventurous, luxurious at relaxing modern day camping only here in Bulacan. Kaya mga Bulakenyo, come and experience nature like never before sa Aranya Resorts. Dito lang sa Galing, Bulacan.
Aranya Resorts DRT. Experience a thrilling 4x4 and ATV ride inside the 7-hectare property with extreme slopes and experience the wonder of nature. Taong 2022 nagbukas ang Aranya Resorts.
Welcome to Aranya Resort here at Barangay Camachin, DRT, Bulacan. Aranya means bountiful forest in Thai because as you can see, we're located in DRT where the forest is very green and luscious and talagang very few na lang kasi here in the Philippines yung malago yung mga gubat natin. First, we have the cliffside loft, which features a private pool, a private bonfire pit, a private veranda, private loft room. For our second villa offerings, we offer the White Lawaan Villas. It's like a small village with around 6 units where you can enjoy the beauty of nature. Each of the villas have their own patio where you can eat your breakfast and enjoy the greenery that surrounds you. During off-peak, we offer 3,800 for 2 persons in the White Lawaan Villas. It includes breakfast and your accommodation, and you have the access to our lagoon pool and also a free 4x4 ride from the pickup point.
May day tour din sila para sa inyong day tripping and enjoy their cottages. May enjoy mo din ang kanilang cafe bar at mga pagkain sa kanilang hamog restaurant para sa mga may hilig sa ating all-time favorite Philippine cuisines.
So I'm inviting everyone to visit Aranya Resorts here in Barangay Camachin, DRT, Bulacan. You may visit our Facebook page at Aranya Resorts and our Instagram, same, Aranya Resorts, to see our latest promos and discounts.
Para sa inyong bookings, please visit www.aranyaresorts.ph.com.